Are you facing the Share Location Unavailable message in the Find My app? This issue can occur due to various reasons, such as settings not being configured correctly or network problems. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with clear step-by-step instructions to help you get your location sharing working again. So let's get started. Solution 1, check location services. So, open Settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, tap Location Services. Ensure that location services are turned on. Tap on Location Alerts, turn on and show Maps in Location. Turn off and on shows Maps in Location. Go back, tap Share My Location, tap Find My iPhone, again turn on and off Find My iPhone. Also turn off and on Find My Network, also enable Send Last Location on iPhone. Tap back again, scroll down, tap System Service, enable all the settings from here. Every single setting should be on here. Solution 2, check your network connection. Open Control Center by swiping down from the upper right. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. To troubleshoot the net, enable airplane mode for 20 seconds, then turn it off, or try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Solution 3, check Share My Location settings. Open Settings, tap on your name at the top, select Find My. Make sure that Share My Location is turned on. If this is already on, turn it off and turn it back on. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4, sign out and back in. Open Settings, tap on your name at the top, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Follow the prompts to sign out, then back again. Solution 5, reset location and privacy settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset and then Reset Location and Privacy. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Share Location Unavailable issue in the Find My app. If problems persist, don't hesitate to ask for more help. Thanks for watching.